Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to find and copy your USDT ERC20 address on Trust Wallet. For that, you need to launch your Trust Wallet mobile application and provide your fingerprints or the passcode in order to log in into your account. Now over here on the home page, you just have to use the search bar in the top, and in the search bar you need to search for USDT. Now once you are able to find USDT, you will be able to get it on various types of networks like USDT on Ethereum, BNB, Arbitrum, etc. So as we are working with the USDT ERC20 and we want to find the network, you just have to tap on USDT Ethereum. It is the ERC20 network. So here, tap on the receive option and you will be able to see a QR code as well as the deposit address in front of you. So in order to copy it, tap on the copy button and it will be copied on the clipboard. Now you can use this address in order to receive your USDT based on the ERC20 network in your Trust Wallet account. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe Softpro. We make easy to understand tutorials about business, project management, softwares, social media apps, and more. Softpro dream to 100,000. Thanks for watching.